welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be all about It's My RayeRaye palette. Alright, so when I saw RayeRaye was coming out with a palette, let me tell you something. When I saw that purple, honey, I was sold. Purple is my favorite color, okay? When I saw when she released that picture, honey, I was sold on the purple. Sold on the purple. But because everybody was doing a purple look, she did a purple look, Makeup Shayla did a purple look, I said, let me go with something different. I really wanted to push past the limits. And besides, my last makeup video was like a purpley pink look. So I was like, oh, should I do blue? Should I do green? But I really wanted to do something, I don't know, just something different and really push the limits of this palette. I really reached for some of the colors that I would not normally do a video look with. And it was successful. I also picked up one of her lip glosses or liquid lipsticks from her first collection. So this is RayeRaye. I have this on the lips, and I think this my order came with a free BH liquid eyeliner, which is bomb. I don't know why I've been sleeping on BH Cosmetics, for real. Like, this is one of the best liquid eyeliners I've ever used, and I'm not a wing girl. And my ring is popping. My wing is popping. So yeah, guys, definitely love the look. And you're gonna see how we got this look in just a few minutes. But I just wanted to let you know that we also got a second palette. So that means I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It's going to be on my Instagram, so you guys make sure you follow me on Instagram for all the details. All right, guys? So enough talking. Let's get all the way into this look. All right?
All right, my beauties, let's get started. So the first color I'm going in is with the color Brick. I am going to just blend this out all over my crease, get it nice and blended into my inner socket, into my crease. Just making sure that that color is pretty blended. Then the following color is going to be the color Bark. Bark, I am going to focus this more into my crease. That's why I changed the brush. This is a more dense MAC brush, and I am just focusing that darker brown into the crease area. Just building it up a little bit more here. And then I am going to go in with the next color, and that is Flare. Can I tell you, Flare is like, I think this is like my favorite color so far. I love this like burgundy reddish color. This color is so gorgeous. And you can see why. Now we are going in with the color Cacao. And we are focusing that in our outer crease. Just blending that color out a little bit more because I don't want any harsh lines. And yeah, now I am cutting the crease. This is with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the color 0.5. I think that's like the whitest one that you can find. So I'm using that light color just because I am going in with a yellow next. So I want to make sure I have like a white base down so that yellow can pop, honey. All right, so I am going in with Canary, and I'm just patting that onto the crease right there. I'm just patting that, not really wiping it, but just patting it down everywhere I want it to be. Then I'm going to follow up with the color Brick. After that, I'm going to just dust Brick in there. There you go. And I am just blending them two together. Then I'm going to go in with the color Golden Girl, and I'm going to pat that over Canary. There you go. Just gonna draw me a fine wing liner right here. No worries. All right, guys, so I am going in with this turquoise color. This is by Sephora. This is a pencil by Sephora. I actually really like this pencil. But after that, I am going to add cobalt and sapphire. So cobalt, which is the matte blue, I'm going to add that to the outer, and then sapphire, which is a jewel tone, I'm going to add that to the inner. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Big Shot mascara. This is Shayla's collab. Just adding some blue mascara on there. And then I'm going to add some highlight. This is MAC's Gold Deposit, and I'm going to go over that with Danessa Merrick's, I think it's Sun or Heat. Oh, here it is. It is actually Heat. There we go. Alright, I'm going in with the color Raisin. This is Raisin by MAC. I'm just going to add that as some blush right there. And then going in, I think this is like my Rose Brown NYX lip liner. Child, the thing's so small, I don't even know what the name is. But I'm lining my lips with a NYX brown, kind of like a rosy brown lip liner. And then I am going to follow it up with the It's My RayeRaye Rosy Ray lip gloss.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look. What do you think? I love how this look came out. I mean, honey, RayeRaye, you did your thing with this palette, okay? You did your thing with this palette, you guys. This palette is so bomb. I love the jewel tones. I love that you have nice shimmer options and you have matte options. I mean, this is like the perfect palette. I can see me traveling with this palette, taking this palette on vacation. This, like, she did an excellent job with these 15 colors. So honey, hats off to you, RayeRaye. Loved it. I can't wait to do another look. Maybe I'll do another look. You guys check out the colors and let me know, what do you think I should do next? Post some suggestions in the comment box below. Alright guys, so give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and go ahead and subscribe if you like this video, and leave a comment to let me know if you liked this video. Alright guys, I had so much fun, and until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.